শেষে এলো খুশির ঈদ তুই
Eid al-Fitr is after a month of fasting. This is the part of sunrise in the morning, wear new cloth and come to the Eidgah. After offering prayer and share the joy of Eid al-Fitr by hugging each other, shamai pulao, payesh are cooking at the home.
আপনাকে আজ বিলিয়ে দেশুন আসমানি তাগিদ রমজানের
Children are seen rejoining with new cloth and honey on their hands.
আপনাকে আজ বিলিয়ে দেশুন আসমানি
A public holiday is declared to celebrate the day. In many countries, 2 days or 3 days holiday is declared.
তাগিদ তোর সোনা দানা বালা খানা সব
But not everyone can share the joy of Eid. It is not the joy of Eid, but to be able to live somehow is their only wish.
والله سنسجد ركعات شكر لله ولكن في المسجد الأقصى إن شاء الله.
For 30 long days, most of the Muslims of Gaza has broken their fast and iftar without eating any kinds of bio-leaf soup or even the little food available to them. For them, the joy of Eid is nothing but dirty house whose live are under pillar of rubble. It has been destroyed by constant fire. May it bring peace and joy everyone's life. Bashir Ahmed Truvel, 2 News Today.
ও মন রমজানের ওই রোজার শেষে এলো খুশির ঈদ তুই আপনাকে